Last episode, we came down here to do a little battle where I absolutely thrashed Marty's Daihatsu with my Volkswagen Up. So Marty said he's going to bring his other 3-cylinder Daihatsu, and I'll absolutely smash that in my Up as well.
Welcome to another episode
Volkswagen
of Mighty
Up
Carmwood.
in the house,
We're
ready
just
to chop
giving you-
every fall. Pink slips, left, right and centre. I'll take your neighbour's pink slip, take your cousin's. I'll take your mother's pink slip. I'll take everyone's pink slip in my Volkswagen Up.
Except today's not going to take the pink slip of this Yaris because I've just sort of given you a preview how this race is going to end, except I'm going to be 4 laps in front and like this. So basically this is a 3-cylinder, 4-wheel drive, bringing a machine gun to a knife fight, and yeah, I'm basically going to chop that.
Your
but
car's laughable.
It's fair enough because my little red Daihatsu, well, that got chopped, and my other Daihatsu, he chopped it and sold it. So I kind of need to like honour the Daihatsu. Just don't worry about that. Just Toyota owns Daihatsu. That's all you need to know, really.
Bring anything, bring anything. The thing is, the Volkswagen Up says, I'm cute, I'm so cute, I don't care. But then it's like a Pokemon, Pokejon.
Pokemon, I think you're
It's
after.
a Pokemon battle. It throws the Dragon Ball out and flashes out and it captures the...
And literally 17 viewers are just like, yeah, Pokemon! And the other lot are like, what are you talking about? Anyway, this is my GR Yaris. GR Yarises don't need any introduction. It's one of the best performance cars you can buy at the moment for the money, just excellent. The only thing it shares in common with this is that it's 3-cylinder and it's white.
This here's my Dragon Ball Up. I don't know what Dragon Ball is, I'll be honest, but I've
It's
heard
not
of it.
Pokemon.
It's not Pokemon? Okay. 3-cylinder, 1 litre, white, manual, lighter than that, more pure than that, more of a driver's car than that, less mechanical rubbish going to the back wheels than that,
How many rallies have
more
these things won?
comfortable than that.
Is it a rally car?
No one cares about rallies anymore, man.
Everyone loves rallies, dude.
No, they don't.
Rallies
Maybe
are
on
the
your
best.
PlayStation 2.
I'll show you, man. Rallies are the
Okay,
best.
anyway, we don't, you know what? We don't even need to do the drive around and do whatever because
No,
I will
let's just get
shock
into
you.
it. Let's just
I'll
get into
shock
it.
you from behind.
Are you going to put that
I'll-
in track mode?
Yes, it lives in track mode. You're going to be in that thing like the girl in Street Fighter that jumps off the wall, and I'm just going to blanker smash the punch button.
The dude
I'm
who
going to
jumps off
electrocute
the wall
you.
is Vega. And
No,
he
the
went...
girl jumps off the wall and does the kick like this.
Okay.
These
Yep,
kicks,
yep,
and I'm just going to and I'm just going to go like this. That's what's going to happen.
Man, this got weird. Are we
Okay.
going to drive now?
Yeah, let's
okay,
drive.
let's drive.
I'm going on the inside.
Why?
Okay.
All right.
No, you know, let's. I'll get you this time. Scissors, paper, rock. But God. Have you got to set up some track mode shit?
Oh, yeah. I will. Ready? Track.
Cool. See you, dickhead. See you, dickhead.
Oh, no. Oh, no.
I don't have track mode. The race already started. I don't need to set up my stuff.
Oh, this feels good. I haven't driven this on a track yet. This is my first time on a track in this Yaris. We've done some rally sprint, but that's about it.
I'm letting you keep up just to warm up your tyres and warm up your car for now.
Oh, this thing's fun, man. This is fun. I'm starting to get it.
Enjoy that Volkswagen Up rear end, mate. Look how fat it is and mad.
Not a bad looking little car, is it?
I'm smashing myself along at 80 k's an hour. I'm letting you stay there for just a little bit, just to feel like you've got a taste of victory before I chop the absolute shit out of you up the straight.
That thing's really planted, dude. Like, it really is planted.
All jokes aside, it is really planted. It feels good.
Yeah. I'm just here on the outside. Almost spun out again.
See you, mate. Let's go up. Let's go. Oh, it's close.
Bye-bye! Bye-bye! Thank you. See you, mate. Have a nice... I'm going to brake for the corner because I haven't driven this car fast yet. Oh, the back's a little like my other Daihatsu. The back sort of wants to come around too.
The back is coming out a bit, mate.
Yeah, it is.
Did you just put your hazard lights on?
No, the car did it for me, I think. Basically saying this dude's out of control. Oh yeah, here we go. The track is the surface is changing. Like it's been raining for weeks here, and there's just a little bit of water on the track still. So you find your grip kind of changes randomly. Like it's really weird. I haven't experienced it this track before, but it's good that it's at least dry enough to be able to do this.
All right, well, I'm just gonna, I clearly can't catch you on the straights, nor can I catch you in the corners.
Oh, go little Yaris.
What I will say is, I've got an extra, I don't know, $45,000 that, dude, in about 3 laps time, you will be lapping me. I'm not even joking.
Yeah, you might be right. I'm still just getting a feel for this, but it's yeah, it's good. Similar to what I experienced in Rally Sprint, you really got to have the revs up because it's little and it needs the boost. But it does dig in and hang on pretty well. It doesn't, it doesn't sort of power out of corners with the back out, but if you get the balance wrong, like I just did, end up on the grass, yeah, the back sort of does weird things, which I'm not used to, and it feels nothing like a Subaru.
You are so far ahead, it's not funny. I'm going along the road at the top, and you're about to be turning onto the straight.
I am, and I'm being pretty careful because I'm just sort of starting to get a feel for how the back of the car behaves. It's really unusual.
I'm gonna call it, mate.
Okay.
Well done. That was a thing. Good job.
Thank you. That was fun.
You've got a car that's fast, and so do I.
Oh yeah, these are cool. This is cool. Starting to get it. Starting to get it. Trying to avoid the wet bits of the track, because that does weird things with grip. This actually has too much power along the back of the track here that you can't keep it flat like you can in so many other cars. I mean, I'm sure some people do. I'm sure some people do.
Oh, it looks so good. That is the perfect car for this kind of track. That's great.
Yeah, it's unreal.
We all knew that was going to be the result.
Yeah, cool. That was pretty sick.
Thank you very much, everybody. I hope you enjoyed it. There it was. If you want to support the show, you can get some merch. I'm just going to put this out there. I'm just going to put it out there. I know some of you are not going to like it. But if I had another Volkswagen here, I'm pretty sure I would chop the shit out of you. That's all I'm going to say.
But you don't have another Volkswagen here. You've only got your Volkswagen Up.
That's right, man.
You didn't bring your two Volkswagens like I brought my two Hatsus.
No, I don't, Martin. So I'm just gonna go and not get the Volkswagen that I don't have, and I won't meet you back here to chop the shit out of your car in about 5 minutes.
Oh dear. Okay.